In this video, I will show you how you can remove widgets from the home screen of your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to remove widgets from the home screen, just tap and hold on the widget which you want to remove. For example, if I want to remove this widget, just tap and hold on the widget, and this pop-up will appear on the screen. From here, just select Remove, and after you do that, you'll remove the widget from the home screen, just like that. Now, do not worry, by doing that, you will not delete the app of the widget, you will only remove the widget from the home screen. And if you want to bring the widget back, just tap and hold on the empty space of the home screen, and from here, just select Widgets. Now just scroll down and select the app from which you want to add the widget. For example, I will select the calendar, and just scroll down and select the widget which you want to add, and tap on Add. Just drag the widget where you want to add it, just like that. And this is how you can remove widgets from the home screen of your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.